Sweet Temptations festive classics. So far, we've feasted on spicy curries, smoky meats, and tangy street snacks. But no ultimate food journey is complete without dessert, and trust me, Pakistan's sweet tooth is something truly magical. 10. Gulab Jamun, the sweet royalty. First up, the one and only Gulab Jamun. These soft, golden brown balls are made from milk solids and flour, deep fried until they're perfectly crisp on the outside, then soaked in a fragrant sugar syrup infused with rosewater, cardamom, and sometimes saffron. Each bite is a burst of sweetness, rich, floral, and melt in your mouth soft. Served warm, Gulab Jamun feels like pure comfort, the kind of dessert that makes you close your eyes and sigh with happiness. No Pakistani wedding, Eid celebration, or family gathering is complete without a big tray of Gulab Jamuns. They're so beloved that many people joke, "You don't choose how many Gulab Jamuns you eat, they choose you." 11. Jalebi, the sweet swirls. Next, meet Jalebi, the spiral of joy. Made by deep frying coils of fermented batter and soaking them in sticky sugar syrup, jalebis are crunchy on the outside, juicy inside, and sweet enough to make anyone smile. The best way to eat them? Fresh from the wok, still hot, when the syrup is dripping down your fingers. Pair them with a cup of strong Pakistani chai, and you've got breakfast, dessert, and happiness all rolled into one. 12. Kheer, rice pudding with a twist. Every culture has its rice pudding, but Pakistan's kheer is something special. It's made by simmering rice with milk, sugar, and cardamom until it thickens into a creamy, comforting dessert. What sets it apart is the garnish: slivered almonds, pistachios, saffron strands, and sometimes even silver leaf for a touch of luxury. Kheer is slow food, it takes time, patience, and love to make it right. And that's exactly what makes it taste like home. For many Pakistanis, it's not just dessert, it's a memory of childhood, of family gatherings, of Eid feasts where the kheer bowl is always the first to empty. 13. Kulfi, Pakistan's answer to ice cream. On a hot summer day, nothing hits the spot like kulfi. This frozen treat is denser and creamier than Western ice cream, made by slowly reducing milk and mixing it with sugar, cardamom, and nuts before freezing in metal molds. Kulfi comes in flavors like pistachio, almond, mango, and even rose. Street vendors often serve it on a stick, straight from a block of ice, wrapped in newspaper. One lick, and you realize, this isn't just dessert, it's tradition on a stick. 14. Falooda, the dessert drink. Now here's something truly unique, Falooda. It's part drink, part dessert, and entirely irresistible. Picture this: rose syrup, milk, basil seeds, jelly cubes, vermicelli noodles, and a scoop of kulfi on top. Stir it up, take a sip, and you'll experience creamy, chewy, crunchy, and sweet all at once. Falooda is especially popular in the summer months, and in big cities you'll find whole shops dedicated to perfecting it. Some people even call it a liquid sundae, and honestly, that's pretty accurate. 15. Halwa Puri, the weekend breakfast feast. Technically not a dessert, but so sweet and festive it belongs here. Halwa Puri. This iconic weekend breakfast consists of 3 parts: fluffy deep-fried bread puri, a rich semolina pudding halwa, and a side of spicy chickpea curry chana. The balance is what makes it perfect: the sweetness of the halwa, the savory kick of the chickpeas, and the light, crispy puri that ties it all together. It's a breakfast that feels like a celebration, especially on Sundays and special occasions. And yes, it's heavy, indulgent, and maybe not the healthiest start to your day, but sometimes happiness comes deep fried. Now, we've satisfied the sweet tooth, but our journey's far from over. Next up, we're heading into Pakistan's regional hidden gems, dishes you won't even find in most restaurants, but that locals swear by. And of course, that final mysterious dish is still waiting for you at the end.